Here, like not speaking about the Narayan, in a Bhagavad it is coming. In a Srimad Bhagavat. In a Srimad Bhagavatam it is describing. There is a one shloka. So here the Vikritim Vrajvadum. There is a one shloka in a Srimad Bhagavatam. Here the Idanchu Vishnu, the Vishnu meaning is here in the shloka. Like all the gopis so the Krishna who is doing the Nitya Vilas Leela, the dancing and all the pastime Leela with the gopis, here we are calling the Vishnu to that Krishna. Here the Vishnu is not using for the Chaturabhuj Narayan. So the Vishnu meaning is Krishna, who is a Brajanandar Shyam Sundar, who are doing the Prem Vilas Leela with the gopis. That's why saying the Idanchu Vishnu. Idanchu Vishnu here is speaking. The Vishnu, like all time meaning, is not considered as a Chaturabhuj Narayan. So here the Didi celebration, so that time like Gurudev is reciting in a shloka and explaining the Vishnu. What is the meaning of the Vishnu in that verse? And the Damni Shiromani Didi, whose birthday, she's asking, like if we, so many times we have spent, but we didn't bhajan. So Gurudev is answering, when the Sukriti arised of the Jivas, like many birth Sukritis get together. So when it became an mature, the Sukriti, so that time you will get the Sadhu Sangha. So by the Sadhu Sangha, actually gradually that person enters in the Bhajan Raja. Jeev like wandering in this world from so long time. So like when the effulgence of the sun will come, when the Surya rise, then only the effulgence come. So similarly the Jeev in this world, when the Jeev manifests in this world, when the God is here, so God is also called as an Anadi, means he is from so infinite time. So that was saying the Anadir Adir Govinda Sarva Karana Karam. So Anadir Shabda means what? Means like a no historical record of the God. As like the one's birth, like we can say like this, like what is your birthday date? 17 November 1980. So that is a birth date of Ramani Didi. So like you are saying the 1980, like the 17 November. So this is according to the Kal. But before also you took the birth, as in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the Krishna is saying to the Arjun, so I am giving you an Upadesh. These all instructions I already gave to the Manu also. So you also heard these instructions, but you forgot. But I am a God, so I do not forget that. So when the body changed, so as the body changed of the Jiva, so all the remembering power has disappeared. Lupt, you understand the disappeared, Lupt means. So from the many millions of the times, the Jiva is actually wandering in the circle of Maya. So from the infinite time, he is actually wandering in this universe. It is right. Is it right or not? So that's why saying the sakarma, he, by according to their karma, the jeev is actually wandering. That is called as an mrityu chakra, kala chakra, the cycle of the kal. So in this sense, in this world, the jiva is under the kal. When the jeev came in this world, so he bound by the kal chakra and controlled by the kal chakra. But when the jiva is not coming in this world, is not coming in this Maya world, so that person is not controlled by the kal. So Vaishnav, in the definition of the Vaishnav, so Vaishnav are not under the kal chakra, they are not controlled by the kal chakra. So when they become a Vaishnav, so they do not come in the cycle of the Kala Chakra. They are beyond the Kal, beyond the time. Kal means here the timing. So he is actually beyond the time. So similarly, your Satan Bhajan will be happen only then when you forgot the Krishna. So Krishna bhuli sei jiv anadir bhayamuk ateva maya tare de sansara dukh. So jeev actually falls in an illusion by the maya and forgot the Lord. So but the jeev is the potency of the Krishna. So chit shakti, jeev shakti. So like as the God is eternal, so his potency is also eternal. So like it's mean the jiva is eternal, but by Maya he contaminated. So that's why he forgot his Swarupa. So that's why saying the Krishna bhuli sei jiv anadir bahimuk atev maya tare de sansara dukh. So he actually falls in the cycle of the suffering, and when he do the prayers to the Lord, so what the God do? So he arranged the favorable situations for him. So makes in a situation in such a way so that the jiva can do the bhakti. So the gradually he can progress in the bhakti raja. So when from that day we take in a shelter of the Guru, Hari, Guru, Vaishnav. So from that day only a new birth starts. So this is only saying. So now all the people came. Gurudev asking like all came. So now just take in a flowers in your hand. And give the flowers to everyone's hand. Now it's the time to do the Swasti Vachan. And Om Prajapati Vishnu Rishi. So here's an Swasti Vachan and the birthday celebration that has been done yesterday. So this much only the Katha that Gurudev has done has been translated in English. Thank you. Hare Krishna.